Finally, we are in the last section of the videos, how to use the law of attraction in life. This is a 7-step process. So we are explaining each step. So I request all of you to note down all the steps so that you can follow them exactly and manifest whatever you want in your life. First, you decide. That is the first step you need to do to use the law of attraction, is to decide on what you want. You have to be crystal clear with your vision and the things that you want to be, do and have in your own life. The first step is to be crystal clear with your vision and the things that you want to be in your own life. The second step, ask. The second step is to ask. Once you have decided on what you want, you must then write it down and ask for it. For instance, you can write down the car that you want to own on a paper in the present tense. Here is an example. I request all of you to please note down each and every minute detail from now. I am so happy and satisfied now that I own a black BMW i5 and I am driving it to work each day. Do not ask anything in the future tense. I am going to own a BMW i5. You must ask always in the present tense only. Use the word I because this word refers to yourself and it gives you a strong sense of ownership. So the second step, ask. Moving to the third step, visualize. One of the most powerful steps that most people miss in the process is that law of attraction is that they did not visualize what they want, and this is what you need to do in this step. When you visualize, your brain cells will create a new neural pathways and close the gap between what is happening in your physical world with your imagination. Coming to the next step, feel it. If you are just visualizing the goal you want for the sake of doing the visualization, it will never work for you. Don't just do it for the sake of doing it. You must include emotions and feelings into it. Gratitude. Gratitude is an important thing in manifestation. What you want in life, because it raises your vibrations and brings you into harmony with the universe. In fact, gratitude is so powerful that it can change anything in your life. It can transform completely your life. So gratitude is the next important step. Gratitude creates a life of abundance, while complaining creates a life of scarcity. Let us choose the life of abundance over the life of complaints, life of scarcity. When you are grateful, when you are feeling happy, and when you appreciate all that you have right now, you are transmitting a positive energy to the universe. Most people fail in this step. They don't believe it, that they can manifest what they want. They imagine that they become millionaires and earn a huge amount of money, but deep down within themselves, they don't believe that it is going to happen to them. When you do not believe that things are possible, you are subverting it for yourself in your mind, your thoughts, and not in alignment with your action. So what you think, what you do, will not be in coherence. And the last step, receive. Sometimes in order to receive, you must let go. You can never start a new relationship if you still hold on to the old one. If you want to buy a new car, sell off your old car. If you want to buy new clothes, get rid of the old clothes and make space for the new. If you want to thrive in your own business, learn to create more value for your clients. If you want other people to treat you with care, be the first one to care for others. If you want to be successful, solve others' problems. If you can start from a simple act of kindness, smile and greet strangers, hold the door for someone, buy food for the needy, create more value to receive more money in life. So, last step, receive. Here are few references: The Law of Attraction by Joy Vitale, Wikipedia of the book Secret, Self Growth, Quora, Universe, Law of Attraction Tactics, Law of Attraction Visualization Techniques, Applying the Law of Attraction, The Business Insider by Tony Robbins. Hope you all understood this course, and I have 100% confidence that you are going to manifest your life with your dreams to become true in your real life. All the very best. Thank you.